strongly condemn the burning of Gampal and Haijang Kuki villages in Sahamphung Sub-Division, Kamjong District. These heinous attacks have terrorized the Kuki-Zo innocent civilians and have disrupted normal life in these two villages. It has also affected the larger Kuki-Zo community, especially amidst the ongoing ethnic persecution against the Kuki-Zo people by the Manipur state government. It is also deeply alarming that such cowardly acts or cowardly attacks have taken place under the watch of the government of India, who has repeatedly failed to uphold constitutional duty in ensuring law and order, in ensuring peace and security for the people. In the light of these recent attacks that has disrupted civilian life and that has posed threat to the people, the Kuki would like to place the following demands to the government of India. Number one, rebuilding and restoration of Gampal and Haijang Kuki villages and proper rehabilitation and fair compensation for the losses. Number two, providing or providence of adequate security to ensure security and to protect the villages from any further attacks. Number three, provision of adequate essential supplies such as medical aid. Finally, we urge the government of India to act with urgency, to act with impartiality, and to act with integrity. The Kuki-Zo people, the villages of Gampal and Haijang, do not only deserve protection, but we also deserve justice and peace for the injustice that has been perpetrated against us. Failure to do so, the Kuki-Zo people may be compelled to take up intensified agitation to secure our place and to safeguard our rights as the equal citizens of the country.